Mizoram is a state in northeast India, known for its stunning scenery. The state is full of hills, valleys, rivers and lakes, and the natural beauty here is, well, breathtaking. The name Mizoram means land of the hill people, and it is home to lush green landscapes. The state is also rich in biodiversity, offering a peaceful retreat for nature lovers. The climate in Mizoram is mild, which makes it a great place to visit. The scenery is most beautiful during the monsoon and winter seasons, when rainfall makes the green hills even greener. Visitors to Mizoram cannot forget its beauty. The state has many hidden gems, each spot more beautiful than the last. Now, let's explore some of these stunning places. Phawngpui National Park is a must-visit, also known as the Blue Mountain National Park. The park covers an area of 50 square kilometers and is home to the highest peak in Mizoram. The Blue Mountain is about 2,157 meters high, surrounded by thick bamboo groves and orchids. The park is a haven for nature lovers with its diverse flora and fauna. Phawngpui National Park is famous for its rare species, where you can see birds like the Blythe's tragopan and mammals like the Asiatic black bear. The park also has a variety of butterflies and orchids. Visitors can enjoy trekking here, with trails offering stunning views. The peaceful environment makes it a perfect getaway. Phawngpui is truly a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Vantawng Falls is the highest waterfall in Mizoram, located near the town of Aizawl. This stunning natural wonder is a must-visit for anyone traveling to the northeastern part of India. The falls are named after Vantawng, a legendary hunter who is said to have been mesmerized by the beauty of the falls and met his end here. The waterfall is about 750 feet high and is a beautiful sight to behold. Its height makes it one of the tallest waterfalls in the country, and the sheer drop of the water creates a mesmerizing visual spectacle. The water plunges down with great force, creating a misty spray that adds to the enchanting atmosphere. The falls are surrounded by lush green forests, and the water cascades down in two tiers. The first tier is a shorter drop, leading to a small pool, and then the water continues its journey down the second, much taller tier. This two-tiered structure adds to the unique charm of Vantawng Falls, making it a picturesque location. The sound of the waterfall is soothing, making it a great place for relaxation. The constant roar of the water as it crashes down the rocks creates a natural symphony that can calm even the most stressed minds. Many visitors find solace in simply sitting by the falls and listening to the harmonious sounds of nature. The area around Vantawng Falls is rich in flora and fauna, where you can see many species of birds and butterflies. The biodiversity here is remarkable, with vibrant flowers and lush vegetation providing a habitat for various wildlife. Bird watchers and nature enthusiasts will find this place particularly fascinating. The dense forest adds to the beauty of the place, making it a popular spot for nature photography. Photographers can capture stunning images of the waterfall framed by the verdant greenery, and the play of light and shadow through the trees creates breathtaking compositions. Every angle offers a new perspective, making it a paradise for shutterbugs. Visitors can enjoy a picnic near the falls, and there are viewing platforms for tourists. These platforms provide a safe and convenient way to get close to the falls and take in the magnificent views. Families and friends often gather here to spend quality time amidst nature, making it a perfect spot for a day out. The best time to visit is during the monsoon season, when the waterfall is in full flow. During this time, the falls are at their most powerful and spectacular, with the increased water volume creating an even more dramatic display. The surrounding landscape also becomes more lush and vibrant, enhancing the overall experience. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone looking for tranquility, Vantawng Falls offers something for everyone. Phawngpui Valley is another scenic spot, located near the Myanmar border. The valley is known for its terraced rice fields, often called the Rice Bowl of Mizoram. The valley is surrounded by hills, and the landscape is dotted with small villages. The sight of the green fields is mesmerizing, making it a perfect place for a day trip. Phawngpui Valley is also known for its vineyards, where you can see grapevines growing in neat rows. The valley produces some of the best wines in Mizoram, and the local wine is a must-try for visitors. Visitors can explore the local culture here, with many traditional Mizo houses in the villages. The valley is also rich in historical sites, where you can visit ancient monoliths and ruins. Section 5. Serchhip. Serchhip is a charming town in Mizoram. It is surrounded by hills and forests. The town offers panoramic views. It is a great place for trekking and birdwatching. The main attraction in Serchhip is the Vantawng Falls. It is the highest waterfall in Mizoram. The falls are a short drive from the town. The area around Serchhip is also rich in wildlife. Serchhip is known for its handicrafts. You can buy traditional woven products here. The local market is full of colorful fabrics and baskets. The town is famous for its bamboo and cane products. Visitors can enjoy the peaceful environment. The town has many walking trails. You can explore the nearby forests. Serchhip is a perfect blend of nature and culture. Section 6. Tamdil Lake. Nestled in the heart of Mizoram, Tamdil Lake is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Tamdil Lake is a popular tourist spot, attracting visitors from all over the region and beyond. Its serene beauty and tranquil environment make it a perfect getaway for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. It is located about 85 kilometers from Aizawl, the capital city of Mizoram. The journey to the lake is an adventure in itself, with scenic drives through lush green landscapes and winding roads that offer breathtaking views. The lake is surrounded by hills and forests, creating a natural amphitheater that is both awe-inspiring and calming. The dense forests are home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature lovers. It is a serene and picturesque place, where the reflections on the water create a mirror-like effect that is simply mesmerizing. The tranquility of the lake is perfect for meditation and relaxation. The name Tamdil means Lake of Mustard, derived from the local language. This unique name adds to the charm and mystique of the lake. The lake is fed by natural springs, which ensure that the water is always fresh and clean. These springs are a vital part of the lake's ecosystem, supporting a diverse range of aquatic life. It is a great place for boating and fishing. The calm waters provide an ideal setting for a leisurely boat ride, while the abundance of fish makes it a popular spot for anglers. The calm waters of the lake are very inviting, perfect for a refreshing swim or simply dipping your feet in to cool off on a hot day. The area around Tamdil Lake is rich in flora and fauna. The lush greenery and vibrant plant life create a stunning backdrop, while the diverse wildlife adds to the sense of being in a natural paradise. You can see many species of birds here, making it a birdwatcher's delight. From colorful kingfishers to majestic eagles, the variety of avian life is truly impressive. The surrounding forest is home to many animals, including deer, monkeys, and even the occasional leopard. This rich biodiversity makes every visit to the lake a unique experience. It is a great place for nature walks. The well-maintained trails offer a chance to explore the natural beauty of the area, with plenty of opportunities to spot wildlife and enjoy the fresh air. Visitors can enjoy a picnic by the lake. The peaceful surroundings and scenic views make it an ideal spot for a family outing or a romantic date. There are many picnic spots around the lake, each offering a unique perspective of the stunning landscape. Whether you prefer a shady spot under a tree or a sunny patch by the water, you'll find the perfect place to relax and unwind. The best time to visit is during the winter season. The cool weather and clear skies make it an ideal time to explore the lake and its surroundings. The weather is pleasant, and the view is stunning. The panoramic vistas of the lake and hills are a sight to behold, making it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Mizoram. Section 7. Rayek. Rayek is a beautiful hill station in Mizoram. It is located about 29 kilometers from Aizawl. The hill station offers stunning views of the surrounding hills. It is a popular trekking destination. Rayek is known for its unique rock formations. The hills are covered with dense forests. The area is rich in biodiversity. You can see many rare species of plants and animals here. The main attraction in Rayek is the Rayek Tlang. It is a peak that offers panoramic views. You can see the plains of Bangladesh from here. The view is breathtaking. Visitors can enjoy camping here. The hill station has many camping sites. The best time to visit is during the monsoon and winter seasons. The weather is cool and the scenery is beautiful. Section 8. Dampa Tiger Reserve. Nestled in the lush landscapes of Mizoram, this reserve is a sanctuary for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers alike. Dampa Tiger Reserve is a must-visit for wildlife lovers. Whether you're an avid bird watcher, a passionate photographer, or simply someone who enjoys the tranquility of nature, this reserve offers something for everyone. It is located in the western part of Mizoram, a region known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. The journey to Dampa is an adventure in itself, with scenic views that captivate the soul. The reserve covers an area of 500 square kilometers, making it one of the largest protected areas in the region. Its vast expanse is a testament to the incredible biodiversity it harbors. It is home to many species of animals and birds. From the elusive tiger to the vibrant hornbill, the reserve is a living gallery of wildlife. The reserve is named after the Dampa village, a quaint settlement that adds a touch of cultural charm to the wilderness. The village itself is a window into the traditional lifestyle of the Mizoram people. It is one of the oldest tiger reserves in India, with a rich history that dates back several decades. The legacy of conservation here is a source of pride and inspiration. The forest is dense and rich in biodiversity. Towering trees, lush undergrowth, and a symphony of sounds create an immersive experience for visitors. You can see animals like the tiger, leopard, and elephant here. Each sighting is a thrilling reminder of the wild beauty that thrives in this protected haven. Dampa Tiger Reserve is also a birdwatcher's paradise. With over 300 species of birds, it offers endless opportunities for bird enthusiasts to spot rare and exotic species. It is home to many species of birds. The vibrant colors and melodious calls of these birds add to the enchanting atmosphere of the forest. You can see the great hornbill and the white-winged wood duck here. These iconic birds are a highlight for many visitors, symbolizing the rich avian diversity of the reserve. The reserve also has many species of butterflies. Their delicate wings and vibrant patterns are a delightful sight, adding a touch of magic to the forest trails. Visitors can enjoy jeep safaris here. These guided tours offer a chance to explore the deeper parts of the forest, increasing the chances of wildlife sightings. The reserve has many trails for trekking. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, the trails offer varying levels of difficulty and stunning views. The best time to visit is during the winter season. The cool weather makes it ideal for outdoor activities, and the forest is particularly vibrant during this time. The weather is pleasant and the wildlife is active. Winter brings a unique charm to the reserve, with animals more visible and the landscape adorned in seasonal beauty. Section 9. Conclusion and Call to Action. Mizoram is a land of unparalleled beauty. Its stunning scenery is a treat for the eyes. From lush green hills to serene lakes, Mizoram has it all. Each place is more beautiful than the last. We have explored some of the best scenic spots in Mizoram, but there are many more hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Mizoram is a paradise for nature lovers. Do you have a favorite place in Mizoram? Or is there another place you want to learn about? Let us know in the comments. Your suggestions are always welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this essay. Your support helps us bring more content like this. Thank you for reading and happy exploring.